Okay, then it's okay. So let's come on to the, yeah, what happened? You see this picture? Last time we did exercise G. Is it visible to you?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Then now we move on to the H exercise. Okay, and the H exercise talks of rewrite each of these sentences after changing the number of the highlighted nouns. Make other necessary changes.
Ma'am, we haven't done exercise G.
We have done,
Yes,
child.
ma'am.
No, ma'am, we
No,
haven't
ma'am, we
done.
have done.
We have
No,
not done.
ma'am.
I will send you the picture of exercise G. Come on to exercise H. The fox attacked the deer. Fox will be foxes. Foxes. Deer will remain deer. Number 2. I had my tooth crowned. Underline tooth and change it to teeth. 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 Number 3. This man is from Argentina. Now, man will change to men, and there will be some other changes. This will change it to these. These men are is will change into are. These men are from Argentina. Exercise H. These men are from Argentina. Put a tick mark on the third one. You'll do this third one in your copies. Only the third one. Then number 4. Keep the book on the shelf. Change it. Book will be books. Shelf will be shelves. Shelves. Number 5. The monkey ate the banana. Answer will be the monkeys ate the bananas. Monkeys. Banana, bananas. Bananas. Number 6. The chief works with a sharp knife. So chief will change into, sorry, chef, not chief. Chef will change into chefs. Chefs. Knife will change into knives. Knives. Put a tick mark on 6th. You will do the 6th one also. Then the child is playing in the garden. Now child will change into children. Is will change into are. So the answer will be the children are playing in the garden. Number 8. The girl is hiding behind the bush. Answer. The girls are hiding behind the bushes. Bushes. Number 9. The thief was caught by the police. Answer. The thieves were caught by the police. Thieves. Was will change into were. Put a tick mark on 9th. You will do the 9th one. Number 10. The story was published in the newspaper. Answer. The stories were published in all newspapers. Stories, stories, were. Was will change into were. Number 11. The foot of the woman had a red sore. Answer. The feet, feet of the women had. Now you will cancel a. Had red sores, sores. So your new answer will be the feet of the women had red sores. You will cancel a written here. Okay. Coming to exercise, sorry, 12th. The country is facing a severe crisis because of drought. Answer. The countries are facing severe crisis. Crises. Please put a tick mark on number
Ma'am,
12.
question number.
The countries are facing a severe crisis. CRISES. You will do the 12th one. Then number 13. The fireman saved the puppy from the burning building. Answer. The firemen saved the puppies, PUPPIES, from the burning building. Number 14. The museum. Keep quiet. The museum has a variety of cactus. Answer. The museum has cancel a and write there varieties, VARIETIES, varieties of cacti, CACTI. Put a tick mark on 14th, you'll do that. Number 15. The passerby helped the victim. Answer is the passers by, PASSERS, by. The passers by help the victims, VICTIMS, victims. Who's the child who's opening the mic? Akashi, while you're recording, keep a check on them. Okay, and only Akashi will be opening the mic, nobody else will open the mic. Akashi, I hope you have opened the mic and did the recording. Otherwise, the voice will not. Otherwise the voice will not come. And keep a check. The one who's recording, I need to know the name. Okay. Sorry, the one who's opening the mic again and again, I need to know the name.
Yes, ma'am.
Now we come on to the next heading, gender. Masculine gender, feminine gender, neuter gender, and common gender. Now I'll quickly explain it to you. Masculine is a noun that which is used for to refer to a male person or male animal, that is called a masculine gender. Noun that is used for a female person or a female animal, that is called a feminine gender. The neuter gender is those nouns which do not have life. Okay, those are the neuter genders, like table, water, sky, ball, all these are neuter. Then common gender are those nouns which stand for both males and females, like parents, like children, friends. So this is the common gender. Coming on to the exercises. Exercise I. Underline the nouns and identify their gender. Number 1. The officers are busy. Underline officers. Akashi, is the noise coming from your own house?
No, ma'am.
Who's this child from the backdrop I can hear?
Ma'am, please wait.
Randomly check who is disturbing the class. Officers is common gender. Number 2, her brother is a soldier. Brother, masculine gender. Soldier, common gender. Number 3, Mala tripped over a cable. Mala, feminine gender. Cable, neuter gender. Number 4, the tribals live in the deep forests. Tribals, common gender. Forest, neuter gender. Number 5, the bridegroom was greeted by his friend. Bridegroom, masculine gender. Friend, common gender. Number 6, her son-in-law is a pilot. Son-in-law, masculine gender. Pilot, common gender. The children played tricks on their parents. Children and parents both are common gender. Number 8, the staff on the plane was very friendly. Staff, common gender. Plane, neuter gender. Number 9, the clerk is waiting for the postmaster. Clerk, common gender. Postmaster, masculine gender. Yesterday, a thief broke into my neighbor's house. Thief, common gender. Neighbor's house is a neuter gender. Neighbor's house is a Double noun, the combination of nouns like bedroom. So in the same way, neighbor's house. So it will be the
compound nouns.
sorry, double I said compound nouns. Okay, so it is a neuter gender. Now come to J exercise. Now in I exercise, you will not do anything. Leave it. Do it in the book only. J exercise. Here you have asked to use crayons. Do not use crayons, please. We will just write common gender. We will write C for common gender and N for neuter gender. Okay. So now you see here, first one, computer. Computer, gender, child, common gender, book, neuter gender, teacher, common gender, pencil, neuter gender, cousin, common gender, paper, neuter gender, friend, common gender, neighbor, common gender, pilot, common gender, card, neuter gender, table, neuter gender, mountain, neuter gender, servant, common gender, worker, common gender. This J exercise also you will do in your book only. Coming to K exercise.
Can you repeat?
No, everything is getting recorded. Don't ask me this, please. Now coming to exercise K. You are right. You are supposed to write feminine genders for the following words. K exercise. Air will be heiress. Check the spelling. Heiress. Host will be hostess. Hostess. Lion will be lioness. Lioness. Priest will be priestess. Priestess. Oblique nun. Nun. Emperor will be empress. Please check the spelling of empress. Even your teacher had a problem with that. I also wrote wrong. Then I had to check it again. The spelling is Empress. Empress. Waiter, waitress. Waitress. I hope I'm clear. Put a tick mark on emperor. Put a tick mark on waiter. These two you'll do in the copy. K exercise 9 and 11 you'll do in the copy. Duke, Duchess, Duchess. Please put a tick mark on 2. This also you'll do in the copy. Master, Mistress, Mistress. Put a tick mark on 4. This also you do in the copy. Prince, Princess, Princess. Tiger, Tigress, Tigress. Put a tick mark on 8. This also you do. Tigress, Tigress. God, Goddess, Goddess. Mayor, Mayoress, Mayoress. We stop here for today. Only this much. Make sure I will be sending you G exercise for those of you who could not do. I will be sending you H exercise. In H exercise, you are supposed to do third one, sixth one, 9th, 12th, 14th in your copy. I exercise, you will not do in the copy. J exercise, you will not do in the copy. K exercise, you will do second, fourth, 8th, 9th, and 11th. Okay. I hope I'm clear. We stop here for just now. Thank you, class. Stop the recording, Akashi.
Okay,
God
ma'am.
bless you.